In the deep ocean, there is a fish with a transparent head. Not translucent, not partially clear, completely transparent. Inside that clear dome sit two bright green eyes, pointed straight upward, staring through its own skull. At first glance, it looks impossible, almost artificial. For decades, scientists struggled to understand what they were looking at, and why evolution would ever create something like this. The animal is called the Barreleye fish. It lives between about 600 and 800 meters below the surface in a region where sunlight barely survives the descent. Here, the ocean is dim, cold, and strangely empty. Food is scarce, predators are patient, and survival often depends on noticing the faintest silhouette drifting far above. This is where the Barreleye's bizarre anatomy begins to make sense. Those glowing green cylinders inside its head are not decorative structures, they are its eyes. Each one is shaped like a telescope. Instead of looking forward like most fish, the Barreleye's eyes point almost straight upward, scanning the water above for silhouettes. Tiny shrimp, drifting jellyfish, or the faint outline of something edible floating against the last traces of sunlight. But this created a strange evolutionary problem. If the eyes are pointing upward, how does the fish see what is directly in front of it? For many years, scientists believed the Barreleye couldn't. Early specimens were damaged during collection, making the anatomy difficult to interpret. But when researchers finally observed the fish alive using remotely operated vehicles, the mystery deepened. The eyes moved. Those long green barrels could rotate inside the head. Normally they point upward, watching for prey drifting above. But when the fish approaches something interesting, the eyes slowly rotate forward. Suddenly, the fish can see directly ahead. It's like switching between a sky-watching telescope and a forward-facing pair of binoculars. But that still leaves the strangest feature of all, the transparent head. That clear dome covering the fish's face is not skin in the normal sense. It is a fluid-filled shield. Inside it, the delicate eyes can rotate freely while remaining protected. Without this transparent enclosure, the exposed eyes would be extremely vulnerable to the stinging tentacles of jellyfish, one of the Barreleye's favorite food sources. And that may explain another unusual behavior. The Barreleye is often seen hovering motionless beneath drifting jellyfish, waiting, watching. When the moment is right, it slips upward and carefully steals small animals trapped in the jellyfish's tentacles. A risky maneuver, but one that works. The transparent dome acts like a protective visor, shielding the sensitive eyes while the fish moves among the stinging arms. It's an elegant solution to a strange ecological challenge. See upward, rotate forward, steal food from dangerous neighbors, and protect the most delicate part of the body inside a living window. In the deep ocean, evolution often pushes anatomy into places that seem almost alien. But the Barreleye fish is not a mistake. It's not unfinished. It is a precise answer to a difficult environment. A creature built to watch the faintest shadows drifting through a dim and quiet world. And sometimes the best way to survive is to see straight through your own head.